What is this called? Prickly pear. What is this called? Garlic. What is this called? Blackberry. What is this called? Shallot. What is this called? Honeydew melon. What is this called? Asparagus. What is this called? Watermelon. What is this called? Zucchini. What is this called? Broccoli. What is this called? Carrot. What is this called? Akron squash. What is this called? Jujube. What is this called? Daikon. What is this called? Clementine. What is this called? Rutabaga. What is this called? Spinach. What is this called? Onion. What is this called? Brussels sprouts. What is this called? Cabbage. What is this called? Corn. What is this called? Mandarin orange. What is this called? Potato. What is this called? Turnip. What is this called? Granny Smith apple. What is this called? Water chestnut.